Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to buy games on Steam. So all you have to do is simply launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply find the game that you'd like to download, or rather, find the game that you'd like to buy. So you can utilize the search bar at the top, or you can simply find the game from the list of available games. So for me, I'll just use the search bar. So click on the search bar at the top, and then type in the game. Then click on enter, and you should see a list of results for that particular game. Now find the game that you'd like to buy. So all you have to do is simply click on it. And then you should see the game description in this page. So all you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom and find these system requirement options. Now this one will ensure you that your PC meets either the minimum or the recommended system requirements. So read all through this and ensure that your PC either meets the minimum or the recommended system requirements. Now, once you have confirmed that, all you have to do is simply scroll back up and find the option buy WRC or buy that particular game. And then you should see the option add to cart. So choose the collection, choose the option you prefer. So you can choose this one, the base game, or you can choose the bundle, whichever you prefer. So simply select add to cart on the one that you want. And then you should see this added to your cart. So simply click on view my cart. And then from here, all you have to do is simply click on continue to payment. So select that. And then you should get to this homepage. Now at this point, you have to choose the payment method. So you can see we accept the following secure payment method. It is PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and JCB. So choose the option that you prefer. So all you have to do is simply click on this drop-down arrow that appears and then choose the option that you prefer. So for me, I just leave at PayPal and then click on continue. And then from here, if it's a PayPal you've chosen, you should see this option. But if it's a credit card you've chosen, you have to type in the credit card information so that you can proceed. So if you've selected PayPal, all you have to do is simply click on PayPal and then it will launch this window. So from here, you should type in your email address. Once you type in your email address, if you have a phone number linked, you should see this option, log in first with a one-time code. But if you have a password, you can simply type in your password. So me, I'll just use this login first with one-time code. So I'll select get a code, and then I give it a few seconds. Now all I have to do is simply type in the code that I have received on my phone number. So I'll just type it in. Now once you type it in, give it a few seconds. And then now you choose the option that you prefer. So for me, I'll just select the one that I want. So I have different credit cards. So select the one that you prefer and simply click on agree and pay. And give it a few seconds. And then you should get to this page. So all you have to do is simply read all through how much it will cost you. And then this is the points that you'll earn for this purchase. And then simply click on I agree to the terms and of Steam subscriber agreement. And then all you have to do is simply click on purchase. Now give it a few seconds. Now there you go. You should see the option. Thank you for your purchase. An email has been sent to you. And there you go. Now you can simply see your purchase receipt. So all you have to do is simply return to the store. And then once you have downloaded the game, or once you have bought the game, all you have to do is go to the library. And then from here, scroll down and find the game. So here it is. So click on it. And then from here, now you can simply click on install and download the game to your PC. So that's basically it on how to buy games on Steam. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.